If me take that the intimidation and not take it, I'm gonna catch a virus. Me not gonna live in for sue them bumbo clot for it. So that is that's a wicked choice for me this up. My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
What do you think about
Alright.
the pandemic with the coronavirus we are going right now?
Alright.
Your thought on it?
The pandemic with the coronavirus.
Yeah.
Let me tell you the truth, man. You see this thing we are going on? This thing I set up, you know. Since, say no hope there, you know. Why since so sudden? Since this carroted man go down a Iran, you shoot down the man. This thing just spread out and spread so fast. I feel say something set up.
Yeah.
I feel say no for them big boy they know about it and they're sorry. They're sorry about it, you know.
So you feel say something they can get under control soon enough?
Brother, let me tell you something, say. Who know if you can get under control? Because them of themselves see one say it's no time soon. And if you build up a vaccine, I can't with them say on TV. It will take months.
So if they should come up with such a vaccine, you'd take it?
Let me tell you this. If me ever dead with coronavirus, make it kill me, but me now go take no vaccine and dead along with the two of them, hell no. Because if me take it and find say me get it, me I go say, if me not take it, me that be alright. So make me not take it, make me take my chance and not take it. All I know you do, ask her to them tell you lie, if say, keep away from people. Me do that, me do that. But me now go take the vaccine. And when you realize, me go catch it, something I go tell me say, mine I go tell me say, if me not take it, me that be alright. So me not take it.
Okay.
You know what? I feel say, me that really have to take, because me still not gonna make hunger kill me. If the 666 come down and you can't do nothing, if I take a chip, me don't have to take a chip because me not gonna kill myself.
So you don't take a chip just to save yourself from dying from hunger?
You didn't take it.
No, sir.
You that prefer to dead if you're hungry.
Suppose, alright then. Before we are little youth come up here about the mark of the beast and they might put chip in your hand and then we there. Then suppose that's something that going to cause your soul to damn.
You know something, say?
You that still take it?
Me take back the sound. I don't want to go in this subject because, trust me, oh God have peace, man. No suicidal if you sit down and dead for hungry, man.
But if you're that person that believe in all of those stuff, you know what, take it still, you know?
Let me tell you this. You know when the 666 will come, I will tell you. The nuclear weapon I go use first and conquer heavy plan. Anybody survive have to take 666. Because no farming now go on, because trust me, you can't tell me say I'm gonna shop goods me can live off. So if you land still produce, fuck you man in 666. A nuclear weapon have to use first. And dominate the whole world of land and plant and tree. It's when nuclear weapon run rasta, grass no grow again, you know. That's how deadly this thing going, you know.
So when you not tell people who out there where say the coronavirus is real and not take it serious?
It real. It real. It real. What I would definitely do. Faithfully, I would depend on God to keep me, you know, in this coronavirus vibes, you know. That's all me could do.
So people them out there where going a thick crowd without a face mask or when a sanitizer and you think them are the right thing?
Whether they're right or they're wrong, let me tell you the truth. And the survival we all deal with. Some people just don't believe. I truly believe. Me wear a mask, as me say. I have to really, truly, deep down in my soul and mind, depend on God to keep me. I'm not going further than this. Because I'm not taking vaccine for this coronavirus thing.
Me not take it either. Then alright. Them say by January or by end of this year they will have vaccine ready. Suppose they make the vaccine become mandatory where you have to take it or else. What you that do about that? Suppose them come up with some serious penalty where they must say, well, you're a threat to society because you're not taking vaccine, so you will have it, you will catch it thing and go spread it.
You know, it's hard the time because if me take like the intimidation and not take it and go catch a virus, me not gonna live in to sue them bumbuckler for you. So that's a different, that's a wicked choice for me. So me not gonna, if me not take it, you understand me? If me not take it, I'm gonna catch it, I'm gonna catch a coronavirus. If me take it and it hurt me, if me take a vaccine and the vaccine is safe turn and hurt me, and me catch a coronavirus with the vaccine where they give me not gonna live if you sue them for it.